Want to change your YouTube channel name or customize your URL? Whether you're rebranding or just need a fresh look. Before we begin, here are a few key things to know about changing your YouTube channel name. YouTube name, change rules. Now, let's go through the exact steps to change your YouTube channel name. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio and click on Customization in the left menu. Step 3. Go to the Basic Info tab and click the Edit icon next to your channel name. Step 4. Type your new channel name and click Publish.